Let's turn this image to a lovely family Valentine clip using Filmora 15. When you open Filmora 15 and update it to the latest version, you'll be able to use these Valentine's Day assets. You may go to Stock Media, AI Media, and look for video inspiration for Valentine's Day. Here you will be able to preview various types of Valentine's Day video that suits you the best, whether it's a self-love Valentine's, couple, or a photo shoot. Filmora 15 got you covered. Again, you may use some of those, but for now, we can also use the AI image to video feature to improve a still family photo into a lovely one. Go to Image to Video, import the family photo, and here I already prepared a prompt on what should happen to this family photo for Valentine's Day. This prompt wants this image to create a warm and intimate family moment for a Valentine's Day highlight clip. Subtle, natural movements are included in the prompt and other actions that AI should generate. You may also change the type of AI you would want to generate the video for you. I chose Veo 3.1, but there's also Sora AI here. Just wait for a few moments and your image will now turn into a video clip. Once video generation is complete, you may now check the stock media and go to My Files to see your AI-generated video. The video seems realistic. There's not much flaw or errors in generating, and I think the prompt worked well. They even added a background music that suits this family really well. Let's improve this further by using other Valentine's Day assets here, such as the effects. Scroll down a bit to see the new Valentine's assets for effects. I only chose to use subtle effects to overlay to this video, such as heart emotes effects and many more assets available here, so try them out now. You may also use Valentine's Day transition effects for better results. There are many transitions here to be used for your family Valentine's Day celebration. Let's use this light leak for the intro transition. Then this other light leak for closing. You may also go to stickers and check for Valentine's Day specific stickers to be used for your next project. I'll just use this simple overlay sticker just like my subtle effects from Filmora 15. Just like that, you now have your family Valentine's Day video clip highlight. Thank you for watching.